Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're taking a look at a product designed for those who need a compact, eco-friendly solution to everyday cleaning. The BLACK+DECKER 8-volt MAX Reviva Handheld Vacuum. This little vacuum offers a host of features, from its strong suction to its innovative eco-conscious design. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First, let's break down what this vacuum has to offer. The 8-volt MAX Reviva is a handheld cordless vacuum with an emphasis on both performance and sustainability. It's powered by a motor that delivers up to 19 air watts of suction. Now, what does that mean in the real world? Air watts measure a vacuum's suction power, and 19 air watts is more than enough for tackling small messes, fine dust, crumbs, and even pet hair on most surfaces. It's designed to work well on everything from hard floors to low-pile carpets, though it may struggle with deeper, thicker carpets. But for quick cleanups, it's certainly up to the task. When it comes to runtime, the BLACK+DECKER Reviva impresses with up to 11 minutes of continuous use on a single charge. That might not sound like much compared to some other handheld models, but for short, quick jobs, think cleaning your car, furniture, or tight corners, it's more than sufficient. Plus, the slim design and long nozzle make it easy to reach high up or tricky areas without breaking a sweat. You won't have to stretch or contort yourself to clean those hard-to-reach spots, which is a real plus when it comes to ergonomics. One feature that stands out is the translucent Dustbowl. It's a simple yet effective touch that lets you see exactly when it's time to empty the vacuum, which makes maintaining the device a bit easier. You don't have to second-guess whether it's full or not. On top of that, the Dustbowl is washable, so keeping it clean is a breeze, and you won't have to worry about it developing any funky odors over time. For an added bonus, it's large enough to handle moderate cleaning tasks without frequent emptying, though for heavier debris or pet hair, you might need to empty it more often. But there's more. The BLACK+DECKER Reviva is not just any handheld vacuum. It's made with the eco-conscious consumer in mind. The tool housing is crafted from Tritan Renew, a material that's made from 50% certified recycled plastics. If you care about reducing your environmental impact, this could be a solid choice, as it uses the equivalent of 16.9 FLOTS plastic bottles in its construction. It's a small but meaningful step towards sustainability, particularly if you're looking for a vacuum that supports your green living choices. In terms of attachments, the Reviva doesn't fall short. It comes equipped with a built-in flip-up brush, ideal for fine debris and hard-to-reach places like between couch cushions or along baseboards. This brush makes cleaning upholstery, car interiors, and stairs much easier, and it's conveniently integrated, so you won't have to worry about losing any separate accessories. Now, let's talk about the noise level. While it's not silent, it's quieter than some of the more powerful handheld vacuums out there, making it more pleasant to use for extended periods without your ears ringing. It's an important factor for many, especially if you're using it in a shared space or need to clean without disturbing the household. When it comes to build quality, the Reviva feels solid and durable. It's lightweight, which is expected from a handheld model, but it doesn't feel flimsy. The plastic housing, made from recycled material, gives it a sturdy, high-quality feel without being heavy or cumbersome. The design is sleek, with smooth curves that make it comfortable to grip and maneuver, even for long cleaning sessions. Real-world use is where this vacuum shines. For quick pickups, it's a winner. Whether it's cleaning up pet hair on the couch or wiping away crumbs from your kitchen floor, the suction power is more than enough for everyday messes. The long nozzle is a standout feature when it comes to cleaning under furniture or in tight spots. However, for those expecting to deep clean large areas or thick carpets, the Reviva might not be the right fit. It's designed more for quick cleanups, and while it's effective at that, it might leave you wanting more if you have a large area to clean or need to tackle deep dirt in high-pile carpets. The Reviva is certainly not the longest-running handheld vacuum out there, but its runtime of up to 11 minutes is decent for the type of cleaning it's designed for. It won't handle marathon cleaning sessions, but it's perfect for smaller jobs. The charging time is fairly quick, so it won't be sitting idle for long if you need it again. Now let's address a few drawbacks. While the suction power is solid, there are some limitations. The 8V battery means that it doesn't have the same power output as some other larger, higher voltage handhelds. So if you're looking for something that can tackle heavy-duty cleaning or thick carpets with ease, this may fall short. Also, while it's great for fine dust and crumbs, it could struggle with larger debris without additional effort. When compared to other models in its price range, the BLACK+DECKER 8V MAX Reviva stands out due to its eco-friendly design and strong suction for its size. Similar models like the Dyson Dustbuster or Shark's cord-free handheld offer more power but come at a higher price point. The Reviva, however, provides a decent balance of performance, price, and environmental consciousness, making it a good fit for users with lighter cleaning needs or those who prioritize sustainability. In terms of value, this vacuum definitely delivers for its price. You get a solid, well-performing handheld with a focus on eco-friendliness and ease of use. It's not the most powerful on the market, but it gets the job done for light to medium cleaning tasks, and the 11-minute runtime should be enough for most quick pickups. Considering its features and performance, it's a reasonable option if you don't need a full-size vacuum and prefer something lightweight and easy to use. If you're comparing this to other handheld vacuums in the same category, the BLACK+DECKER Reviva holds its own, though it might not be the best fit for those with very demanding cleaning needs. The built-in flip-up brush is an especially handy feature that many other models lack, and its sustainable materials make it a great option for eco-conscious buyers. However, if you need more power or a longer runtime, there are alternatives like the Dyson V7 Trigger or the Shark Ion W1, which offer more suction and extended runtimes, though at a higher price point. Overall, the BLACK+DECKER 8V MAX Reviva Handheld Vacuum is a solid choice for anyone looking for a lightweight, eco-friendly option for everyday cleaning tasks. It's perfect for quick cleanups in smaller spaces, and the built-in features make it an excellent choice for tackling fine dust, crumbs, and pet hair on a variety of surfaces. It won't handle deep cleaning on larger areas, but for lighter-duty work, it's more than capable. Whether you're cleaning your car, upholstery, or the kitchen, the Reviva is up to the task. Just don't expect it to replace a full-size vacuum. Thanks for watching. If you want to grab the BLACK+DECKER 8V MAX Reviva, you can find the link in the comments box below. Got any questions or already own this vacuum? Drop a comment and let us know how it's worked for you. Until next time, keep those spaces spotless, and we'll see you in the next review.